How do you optimize your LinkedIn profile and make it work for you in your job search? I'll give you a 3 steps process. First step, searchable. When a recruiter searches with appropriate keywords and location, your profile should come in their search results. So make sure you put skill keywords, industry jargon keywords in your skill section, summary and headline. Second step, making it clickable. When a recruiter sees your profile in the search results, your display picture and your headline should make them click on your profile. And third, making it impressive. When a recruiter lands on your LinkedIn profile or you connect with someone and they land on your LinkedIn profile, making sure your profile is impressive and tells them about your capabilities, experience and expertise, and they accept your LinkedIn profile or call you for a job opening. If you want more help with your LinkedIn profile, make sure you download my LinkedIn checklist with the link below this video.